Have you ever felt like your traditional bank just doesn't get you? They're too big, too bureaucratic, and frankly, too boring. Well, there's a new kid on the block that's shaking things up, Tide. But what exactly is a Tide bank account, and is it right for you? Let's dive in and find out. Imagine a bank account designed specifically for the modern entrepreneur. One that understands the unique challenges and opportunities of running your own business. A bank that doesn't just offer financial services, but also provides tools and resources to help you grow. That's the promise of Tide. What is Tide? Tide is a digital banking platform that offers business current accounts. Unlike traditional banks, Tide doesn't have physical branches, which means lower overhead costs and, in turn, better deals for you. It's a streamlined, online-only experience that's perfect for entrepreneurs who want to manage their finances on the go. Key features of a Tide bank account. Easy setup. Setting up a Tide account is a breeze. You can do it entirely online in just a few minutes, without any paperwork or visits to a branch. Free business current account. Tide offers a free business current account that comes with a range of features, including card payments. Accept card payments both in person and online. International payments. Send and receive money in multiple currencies. Invoice management. Create, send, and track invoices. Expense tracking. Keep track of your business expenses. Accounting integration. Connect your Tide account to popular accounting software. Mobile app. The Tide mobile app is intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to manage your finances from anywhere. Business support. Tide offers a range of business support resources, including webinars, articles, and a community forum. Competitive fees. Tide's fees are generally lower than those of traditional banks, making it a more affordable option for businesses. Is a Tide bank account right for you? A Tide bank account is a great option for businesses that are looking for a simple, online-only banking experience. Need a business current account with a range of features. Want to save money on banking fees? Are looking for a bank that understands the needs of entrepreneurs? However, Tide may not be the best choice for businesses that require in-person banking services. Need a high level of personal service. Have complex financial needs. Additional considerations. Before opening a Tide bank account, it's important to consider the following. Minimum deposit. Tide may have a minimum deposit requirement. Currency. Tide may only support certain currencies. Regulatory compliance. Tide is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK, ensuring that your money is safe. If you're a modern entrepreneur looking for a simple, affordable, and feature-rich business bank account, Tide is definitely worth considering. With its easy setup, mobile app, and range of business support resources, Tide offers a compelling alternative to traditional banks. Ready to give Tide a try? Sign up for a free account today and experience the future of business banking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.